Counsel, Ms. Richins, please stand. Count 1, aggravated murder. We, the jury, unanimously find that the defendant, Kouri Richins, is guilty of aggravated murder.
Yep.
We, the jury, unanimously agree that the prosecution has proved the following circumstance or circumstances regarding count 1 beyond a reasonable doubt. The homicide was committed for pecuniary gain, and the homicide was committed by means of the administration of any substance administered.
Both aggravating
in lethal
factors.
amount,
She's
dosage,
cooked on
or
everything. Check, 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 check down the line.
Count
She's
2,
done.
attempted aggravated murder. We, the jury, unanimously find that the defendant, Kouri Richins, is guilty of attempted aggravated murder. We, the jury, unanimously agree the prosecution has proved the following circumstance or circumstances regarding count 2 beyond a reasonable doubt. The attempted homicide was committed for pecuniary gain. Count 3, insurance fraud. We, the jury, unanimously find that the defendant, Kouri Richins, is guilty of insurance fraud. Count 4, insurance fraud. We, the jury, unanimously find that the defendant, Kouri Richins, is guilty of insurance fraud. Count 5, forgery. We, the jury, unanimously find that the defendant, Kouri Richins, is guilty of forgery.
They got her on the forgery,
It's signed by the
too.
foreperson. Please have a seat.
Done. They didn't give a shit about
Madam
the defense's
Foreperson,
case.
is this the verdict that the jury reached unanimously?
Yes, it is.
Okay, you may have a seat.
I don't think they're doing death
Ms.
penalty in
Lewis,
this
Ms.
case.
Nestor, do you wish the jury to be polled?
Yes, please.
All right. Folks, I'll ask you the same yes or no question, one at a time, starting on my left.
Poll the jury to make
working
sure
this
that
way.
someone wasn't
Front
pressured
row
into
first. If you could show me your
voting a
lanyard
specific
number
way.
as I ask you. Juror number 5, is this the verdict you voted in favor of?
Yes.
Juror number 4, is this the verdict you voted in favor of? Juror number 3. I can't see your number, I'm so sorry. The foreperson, I just need to ask you again, I'm sorry. Juror number 2.
Yes, it is.
Juror number 1.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir. Juror number 8.
Yes.
Juror number 7.
Yes.
Juror number 6.
Yes.
All right. Counsel, is there anything further on this case before the jury is discharged? Mr. Bloodworth.
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Ms. Lewis.
No, Your Honor.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, this trial is now finished. Thank you
Hell
for your
yeah.
service. The American system of justice relies on your time and your sound judgment, and you have been generous with both. You serve justice by your fair and impartial decision. All of my previous admonitions are now lifted. You may speak about this case with anyone or with no one at all. It is entirely up to you. You might be contacted in the future by the press or by the lawyers. You do not have to talk with them or with anyone else, but you may if you would like. The choice is yours.
The
entirely.
choice is yours.
I'm now turning to the attorneys and instructing them to honor your wishes as officers of the court if you indicate that you do not want to talk about this case. If you do talk about the case, please respect the privacy of your fellow jurors. The confidences they may have shared with you during deliberation are not yours to share with others. Thank you, all of you, for your service. Please rise for the jury.
Yeah, it should have been 8 jurors. You're not entitled to a 12-person jury. You know, it varies by state.
All right, please have a seat. Ms. Lewis, we need to get a pre-sentence investigation report, and we need to set sentencing. I imagine, Mr. Bloodworth, that the state would request that that be special set.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Lewis, does defendant waive the 45-day limit for sentencing?
Yes, we will.
All right. Let me call up my calendar.
They have everything to go for the death penalty on this, hands down. Aggravating factors on murder and attempted murder, plus financial felonies, it's a capital offense, financial felonies that are part of the aggravating factor,
Ms.
making the
Lewis?
murder for pecuniary gain. I mean,
Do you have a sense?
They're
of
not
Mr.
going to,
Bloodworth?
I don't think.
April is.
they don't like to execute people these days, and they don't
in
like to
May.
execute women
Do you have
either.
a sense of when would be appropriate?
Your Honor, can I step back and
That was
talk to the
That was a
victim's
joke.
family?
Sure. And Ms. Lewis, if you need a moment to confer with anyone.
Your Honor, any day in May works.
May 23rd. Come on, May 23rd. You can do it.
Without having to move something, which I am, of course, willing to do, I could do it
May 23rd.
during the week of May 25 or
Oh, dang, just missed.
the morning of May 13. But if those times don't work, or if the week of May 25 is too far out, I'll move something to accommodate council schedules. Ms. Lewis, why don't I begin with you?
Either of those days would work for the defense.
Is a
How
morning
does the
enough
attempt
time?
charge work? All of these, I mean, she's going to get,
Yes, sir.
Ms. Lewis?
Yes.
I think she's going to have
We'll
a
set
mandatory
sentencing
life without parole on the
for
capital murder charge.
9:30 a.m. Wednesday, May
So the other charges will
13th.
just be served with that.
We're hereby referring Ms. Richins for the preparation of a pre-sentence investigation report. Ms. Lewis, anything else on the record today?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Bloodworth?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Richins, I'll see you again, May 13th.
Oh, there we go.
9:30 a.m.
Death penalty would have been 12
Everyone to
jurers.
stay seated.
Since there's 8, they didn't.
Follow the
need-
instructions of the
so they didn't need
Summit
the
County deputies.
12, since it's not
Court
death penalty.
is in recess.
So just 8.
Travel safe.
So that answers that question. There we go, guys. That's it. Kouri Richins is guilty AF. That is not a surprise to me at all. You saw. Let's go back to that moment.
Ms. Richins, please stand.
I'm not reveling in the pain of this woman, okay? She's a monster. She murdered her husband in cold blood, as the defense said, knowingly depriving her 3 children of their father, knowing that it would cause them pain and misery every day of their life. That's the defense's words. I still don't revel in her pain. There's just not many times that you get to experience this moment, this type of humanity, inhumanity, however you want to categorize it, it doesn't really matter. This is rare. So I figured we should watch it one more time. This is someone watching their entire life go away. It's gone. It's cast asunder. But she's not allowed to die either. Like, think about that. People are, she might try to kill herself or whatever. They won't let her, like, if they can stop it. She is required to live until she dies, like some natural way. It's horrifying to think of in that way. Like, right? But you're going to watch her life disappear. And that's rare and weird. So I figured we'd watch it one more time with that perspective, in case you missed it.
Count 1, aggravated murder. We, the jury, unanimously find that the defendant, Kouri Richins, is guilty of aggravated murder.
She knows.
We, the jury,
right
unanimously
there.
agree that the prosecution has proved the following circumstance or circumstances regarding count 1
She's not allowed to
beyond
cry.
reasonable doubt.
She's
The
not
homicide
allowed.
was committed for pecuniary gain, and
She's not allowed to scream. She's not allowed to wail. I mean, she could. What are they going to do? Make it worse? All she was able to do, like, and that's more of a reaction technically than the judge said. But you know, they're not going to go. What are they going to do to her? What are they going to do? Make it worse? But that head drop. That's it. That's all she gets. I mean, your entire life. The rest of it, she's not that old. All of it's gone. And that's all you get. Always, of course, hope that you exit this world in peace and joy. But imagine that you don't. And you're not even allowed to be mad about it.
the homicide was committed by means of the administration of any substance administered in a lethal amount, dosage, or quantity. Count 2, attempted aggravated murder. We, the jury, unanimously find that the defendant, Kouri Richins, is guilty of attempted aggravated murder. We, the jury, unanimously agree the prosecution has proved the following circumstance or circumstances regarding count 2 beyond a
Reality
reasonable
hitting her
doubt.
like a battering ram.
The attempted homicide was committed for pecuniary gain. Count 3, insurance fraud. We, the jury, unanimously find that the defendant, Kouri Richins, is guilty of insurance fraud. Count 4, insurance fraud. We, the jury, unanimously find that the defendant, Kouri Richins, is guilty of insurance fraud. Count 5, forgery. We, the jury, unanimously find that the defendant, Kouri Richins, is guilty of forgery. It's signed by the foreperson. Please have a seat.
All right, guys, that's it. Just wanted to spend a minute in that moment. Don't go through these long friggin' trials to not experience humanity at its edges. That's the one thing. Sorry, that's one of the things that I really do find endless interest in law. Is a place you find it pretty frequently, but you find humanity at the edge, the place where you never go, where you never want to be, or sometimes the places where no one else gets to go and you definitely want to be. That's what I mean by humanity at its edges. How many people go to prison for murder? I mean, a lot, but not that many at the same time. So with that, guys, thanks for hanging out with me throughout this trial, of course. Thanks for showing up and having a fun chat and all that silly stuff. It's been a pleasure. It's also been 10 hours of streaming. I'm signing off. Stay tuned. Follow me on Locals and Twitter and YouTube and Rumble and everywhere else at Ricado Law. Make sure you turn on your notifications and watch for the next thing. We'll see you very soon. Have a good night. Peace. Peace. Where is it? There we go. You know what I mean. Well, let's do this. Let's do this one trick that makes everybody so mad or whatever. All right, guys. Have a good night. Peace. Peace.